Hello and welcome to this Convert to Outlook tutorial. Convert to Outlook is a tool which allows you to convert emails from Thunderbird or other email clients or email files to Microsoft Outlook. After opening the application, let's click on the Wizard button to start the process. This window allows you to select the emails to be converted. If you were using Thunderbird, a special Thunderbird button should appear on the interface. Click on it. A new window has appeared. Convert to Outlook has automatically detected your Thunderbird local email storage. Validate by clicking on Confirm. A green check sign has now appeared near the Thunderbird button. If you were using another mail client than Thunderbird, or you simply wanted to convert independent email files, click on the folder button and select the location of your emails. If you don't know where your emails are stored, please click on the Where are my emails text in order to get information on how to retrieve them. Once the source emails are selected, let's continue by clicking on the Next button. In the case of using SMIME or PGP encrypted email, this window enables you to add private key files in order to decrypt the concerned emails. Simply click on the Add buttons and follow the procedures. Now let's continue to the last step. This final window allows you to select the Outlook destination main folder. You can either create a new one by typing a name or select an existing folder. The conversion process is now about to begin. The conversion process is now complete. Microsoft Outlook has automatically started displaying the main folder of the newly converted emails. As you can see, it only takes a few seconds for a few emails to be converted, and only a few minutes are needed to convert thousands of emails. Convert to Outlook is available for Windows 10 on the Microsoft Store by clicking on the link in the video description. Thank you for watching.